Hey everybody, I love my Keurig, except for mine stopped working because of pump or whatever. It just wasn't drawing water. So I was like looking at it, and it turns out there's an easy fix. At least it worked for me, may work for you, but I wanted to share it because I didn't see it anywhere else on the internet. Here you go. So what you do is you take off your water reservoir, and in there you're going to see a little micro filter into that little impeller area. So what I did is I took a little Sonicare toothbrush and just clean it up because it's got slime or whatever contact in there. It's good. Now my Keurig wasn't working at all. It wasn't making any coffee whatsoever. So I did it, and I looked at doing a little toothpick in there too because there's some, I don't know, whatever. But anyway, turn the water filter, put in my coffee, and brew. As you see, it's drawing water fairly quickly, and it brews coffee. I hope it works for you like it worked for me. And it refills the water. Bye.